Ni kedai Bati CTV. Bat pidang pet yaki kubor paman kesni. Balawan rasya pidang Modrina Auto Enterprises Maulanong Kwar TSS Road Shillong. Ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Lums Hop Ho Shillong. Wan bantiet yaka kali Datsun ready go batamai. Kabas kem bat bidor.
Ban penjanai shosho ya kajing syakri syakipat ba nong shong shnong kador bar shnong nong rim hills shalong haga khat nyo terik urisau arajar arpo kala penmi pat ba da ka website jong kador bar shnong ya ka bala tip kum ka dor bar software bat ya ka mobile app haga jingelang ka bala long haga dor bar hall jong ka shnong yakini kila jing tip bathamai kat kum kani ka juk bamenta la pelaj pat ba da UMLA jong ka nong thamai constituency uba Charles Pengrop uba longru kum kongsan harengkat lang bat ke Deputy Commissioner jong ke East Khasi Hills District ke Kong Isa Wanda lalu kentubru ya Deputy Commissioner jong ke East Jentia Hills District uba Ethelbert Karmalki ki balong kum ki simbot kongsan hakani kasngi hakabala sakhilang pat da acting aim jong ke Hima Malim uba Aina Manix aim urang ba snong kador bar snong Nongrim Hills uba banteli lang nari ki dekot ke executive committee jong kador bar snong ki nong song snong bat kiwei
The institutions of kador bar snong, especially North Mine Maksoi Mandal Tibar, you have played such an important role that the requirements of the underprivileged, the poor and the needy was so well organized, but in fact I really have to appreciate the work you have done. Had it been left done, however, really we could have done it. There was snow, and today we are proud. I don't mind other deputy commissioners, same Luna, Paramarjan, morning walk from my window, I can see you. Paramarjan, I don't know. Now this act is very important. And the most important thing that struck me was Ethan that it is also a means of employment, which we need today. We need the means of employment so that our youth will not turn to other activities which are detrimental to society.
recently hingi lagi ni por kadang sedang huni cikpang kelam hingi one ra ya kani ka app kabaning ko ka dorbar ku app nomor taban banirap iki nongsong snong joka kam tam ya ka dongjongi hi ni perkhat ha ta kam bakna bakin nom hab ban mi naladong ban thiet sayo sahat lari kidon kam i hila ban chu pha ra message ka WhatsApp kaya through WhatsApp hi kan kham arami ki thiet ka ter katar te ha chu por ta sngi launch ko website jong hills but ya ka software ka bangi ai ka teng ka dorbar bundle ni lasna laka company ka soni Elite studio but tera ka website ni la ban iyo iki activities ka kasnong ka thau kale nang ka kumchu iki registration form kan kham aram iki nongsong snong bikin hazaka bikin wan sulu ko dorbar ki shuli online mata bro khat ni mata ni ki phone ki smartphones ki jongi kan internet ni la yo hala phone jongi tingila ban chu apply online ni ki registration form iki residential certificate ki jongi but hadin arlai singi la wan sim kat kamara mi ki
kino kisnong ki ba don ka jing khmilanti ki bakwa ban ya sakman hakliang ban kumno ban streamline ye functioning jong ka dorbar nakaliang kal alien leaf studio ngilong ki bakloi ban yetre kan but hadian kan ni lai kan khampan suk chu marba kumba kalong he ka ege ba julong ban sedang ne kono long ka janjar pen rai ki ba sedien kan khamsok te nga ye wer ye barok ki dorbar ki ba don ka jing thmu ban warchini bangila ban yetre khambania ban yarap ye phi hi ye ki nong song snong ha snong jong phi ka jing pass ya ka Meghalaya Residential Safety and Security Act kane ga ya ha banta ha kata ka rukom ha ka ba wei nong song snong uba wan ban rung snong hangi nila ban tip ye record so nila ban nandu ngi trayeng hadu kan nongot bat kumta terter kumorong hadu blood group jong kiru nila ban tip te ka kan kan kampan sukshu bun sha ha jaka bangin maintain naki fiscal registers la na di copy de ki register ndrai mantang nila ban register tang ka mobile la ne da ka laptop jong
take your pictures down, shake it out. Truth or consequence, say it aloud.